Okay, we have the CM3121 commercial coffee machine. Okay, espresso maker for commercial applications, restaurants, coffee shops. Absolutely delicious. And in fact, this one has a mirror, okay, for the customers. Might be quite important to the coffee shops. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, this is some of the parts and pieces for this drain. Okay, water supply. Okay, and we have our hot water. Okay, our steam outlet. Okay, also cup warmer up here. Okay, now this uses a tap water supply, so there's no water reservoir. Okay, all right, up here. We have our lamp. This one actually has a light down here, okay? So in a dark restaurant environment, you can see what you're doing, all right? And we have hot water, which is here, okay? Our automatic 1 cup, our automatic 2 cup, okay? And our manual right here, okay? Now, our steam is operated by this, okay? And we can adjust that steam. Generally, it's all the way open or all the way closed, okay? But it can be adjusted, all right? We have our main power, which is under here, okay? This is our water inlet for tap, and around here, underneath here, is our water drain. And back around the front, we have our 15 bar coffee pressure, and the gauge that shows that, and the gauge that shows our steam pressure.